All right, boys and girls, welcome to Goran Guitar. We have Rosie here, and she released her album Rosie. All right, and this time we have this song called "Too Bad for Us." All right, so this is a beautiful song. We will use picking patterns here, very simple, between two notes all the time, alternate these notes, but also some very simple strumming as well with full chords. So we'll come into that first, the setup. We have the capo set on the 2nd fret, that's it. And with that, we have 5 or actually 4 chords to handle when it comes to just strumming. All the other parts we'll go through with picking patterns. So let's go into the chords. We're gonna start with A. Okay, A goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. We have the next chord, which is the F sharp minor, which is a bar chord. You place the index finger on the 2nd fret and you push down all strings there, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. And speaking of D, that's the next chord. That will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And then we have the final chord, which will be the E. That will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. Okay, so we're gonna start from the beginning, and this song actually starts with the first chorus. Okay, so we're gonna play one down of the following chords: D, A, F sharp minor, and back to D. So it both starts and ends on the D chord. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds to start with. So with pauses in between, it will be like this. And the second round again, same, D, A, F sharp minor, and D. That's the first half of the chorus. Then comes this pattern that goes I slipped a little bit there, but anyway, it goes like this: 4th on D string, and then 2nd on G. That's based upon the F sharp chord. Then comes the next grip, which will be the 6th fret on D string and 4th on G. That's based upon the E. And then comes this 7th fret on D string and 6 on G. That is based upon the A chord. And then comes the next, which is 6th fret on G string. So you can keep that from the A, and you go down to the 5th fret B string. That's built upon the C sharp minor chord. And then you're gonna end with this. You're gonna pick open D string together with 2nd G. And a pause. That part you're gonna play for 2 rounds. So and the second round. And that will end the first chorus. Okay? After this first chorus, which also is a combined intro, you're gonna start with the actual song now. So it's the first verse. And what you're gonna do here is to continue with the picking pattern. Now it goes pretty fast. This one is based upon the A, F sharp, D, A, and E. Okay? So the A picking pattern now to start with is like this. That's 1 round. You're gonna play for 8 rounds. So you're gonna play open A, and then 2nd G. 8 fast rounds goes like this. In my head, I'm thinking in groups of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not counting, I just feel it in groups of 4. That's the first chord, A. Then you have the F sharp minor part. It will be like this. Same there, 8 times. And you're gonna play and alternate the 4th fret D string with the 2nd B. 8 times as that. And then comes the D part. You're gonna play like this. 8 times as well. And you're gonna alternate the open D string with 2nd G. Then comes the A again, but this time we have different notes. You have the 2nd fret G string and the open high E. Only 4 times this time, so and then you end with the E bass pattern, which is the first fret G string and the open high E 4 rounds. That's one round. So one round, if I take down the tempo a little bit for you to understand what we're doing, goes like this. Okay, so that is one round. You're gonna play for 2 rounds, and that takes us to the first pre-chorus. Okay, so that starts with the lyrics called "In No Man's Land." So you're gonna continue the picking patterns now. So you're gonna play the D-based part, and it's played in the exact same way as you played in the verse play. So you're gonna play the open D string and alternate that with the second G. For 8 rounds. Then comes the E-based part. Now this is a little bit different. You're gonna alternate the second fret D string with 4th G. For 8 rounds. Then you go back to D, play the same 8 rounds. And then you play E, but now you're just gonna play 1 down on the second fret D string with a pause. And that pause builds up for the chorus. Okay? So only for this one round, D8, E8, D8, and E 1 down on the bass notes of second fret D string. Okay, that takes us to the chorus, and this second chorus is played differently from the first one. We have, of course, the same chords. It's the D, A, F sharp, and D. Now we're gonna work with a short strumming pattern that is about 2 downs, okay? So I'm gonna illustrate it with the first chord, D. You're gonna play it like this. Okay, so I play 2 downs, 1 down. The first down is full 1 down of the chord. And the second down is just to play and hit the bass of whatever chord you're playing. So in this case, the 4th D string, the 4th string, which is the D string. So just a little kick on the bass strings, the D and G perhaps. So 1 full down and then bass, full bass, full bass, full bass. Okay, so 4 times of that is the D. Then you do the same with the next chords, and that will be A4, then F sharp minor 4, and D4. So A4, F, and back to G. That is one chord progression round, and you're gonna play it again for 2 rounds. That's the first half of the chorus. The second half is played the exact same way as we learned in the first chorus with the notes for 2 rounds. Okay, so that will be the second chorus. Then into the second verse, it's playing the exact same way as the first one for 2 rounds, no changes there. And the same goes with the second pre-chorus, no changes there as well. And also the second chorus. Everything will be the same in the second round of this part. Now we have a bridge part that comes right after the second chorus. It happens about 2 minutes and 53 seconds into the song. Now is when you're gonna use the full chords of strumming with even the E chord, which we learned. If you grab the first chord in this bridge part, that will be the A. 1 string around will be about 4 downs, and you're gonna play like that. So you're gonna play on the bass strings for all of these downs, except from the 3rd down. You're gonna play a full down stroke there. So that will be bass, bass, full bass. You're gonna play 2 string rounds for A, then F sharp 2, then D2, then A1 and E1. That is one chord progression round. It's the same chords as the verse, now with the different strumming. You're gonna play for 2 rounds, and that is the bridge part. Now into the final part of the song, and that is to play the 3rd and final chorus. It's played exactly in the same way as the first chorus, okay? So that was a little bit different. You had only 1 down per chord in the first half of this. D, A, F sharp, and D for 2 rounds, and then you have the ending melody. that wraps it up for Rose's Too Bad for Us. Hope you enjoyed it, guys, and if you did, feel free to support me on Goran Guitar. Subscribe to this channel and like this tutorial if you did. And yeah, I hope to see you here again for next upload. Till then, play tuned.